Hey everyone, so today I am going to be doing a first impression video on the new Baby Bat Beauty mascara. This is the very first mascara from their line and I'm very excited to review this. They sent this to me to try and review, so I'm definitely excited to try it out. Baby Bat Beauty is always cruelty-free and vegan, which is great, and honestly they're my favorite indie brand ever. The owner is so sweet and she's honestly one of the best people I know, but I will not be biased towards this at all. I'm going to be giving you my honest opinions. This mascara is supposed to be really great for those of you who use falsies, but also for those of you who don't, like myself. I personally do not use falsies, so I'm very curious to see how this will do. Usually I use two mascaras. I use Milk Makeup's mascara, which I can usually wear on its own, but sometimes I'll add the L'Oreal mascara in the like purple tube that has the fibers on one end and the mascara on the other. Those are my two favorite mascaras of all time. As you guys can probably hear, I am still sick. I have an ear infection still. My sinuses aren't great, but I wanted to film this because I did my makeup and I wanted to film today, so I was like, why not? But I am quite sweaty and warm, so let's just get right into this. So this is the box. It's a pretty box. It's very simple. It's big. The ingredients are on the back, which is very nice. This is what the mascara looks like. The packaging is very, you know, normal, sleek. It has a good weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. Like, the weight is like very good. And we're just gonna open it. And that is what the wand looks like. I think the wand is actually really cool. I haven't had a wand like this. I'm very excited to try this. As you guys can see, I did my eye makeup, but I left my lashes alone. I used the Venus XL2 today. Okay, we're gonna try this. Wow, already I can definitely say that the bristles are beautiful. Now, I'm not the best at applying. I just stabbed myself in the eye. Great. It's nice. I just need to try to like get my lashes to not clump up. There we go. That is one coat, and I mean, you guys can see the difference. Like, damn. I definitely prefer a smaller wand for my lower lashes, but this is actually pretty nice. It dries pretty quickly as well, which is fine. So there's one eye done and one eye not. What do you guys think? I like it so far. I like it more if I wouldn't have stabbed myself in the eye. This eye always never takes mascara well. I mean, so far it's been pretty good. I definitely think that for me, I wouldn't use this mascara for the lower lash line just because the wand is so big. So that is one layer of mascara on both eyes. So far, I mean, I like it. I usually don't like many mascaras, but so far I'm really liking this one. This is a very affordable mascara, which is always nice. I always use high-end mascaras or the L'Oreal one, which is like 14 bucks. So for a mascara to be affordable, it is nice. We're gonna add another layer just to see what happens. I definitely think that for me, 2 layers is probably the most I'd use because I wouldn't want it to get too like spidery, but I like it like a lot actually. What do you guys think though? So far, I mean, I love it. I think it's volumizing and it does lengthen my lashes, which I personally like. I think that this mascara is going to be perfect for everyday use. Like, I really like it. I do wish that the wand was a bit smaller, but that's just me personally. Yeah, overall, my first impression is that I'm adoring this. I'm definitely going to use it a couple more times and then I will review it fully. But yeah, so far I am obsessed. Thank you so much to Baby Bat Beauty for sending me this. I am honestly in love. Thank you guys so much for watching.